Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about HTTP methods. So why I need to know about the HTTP methods? Because as a web developer, we need to know what are the basic HTTP methods we are going to use in the web application programming. So let's start. So there are so many HTTP methods are there, but in general, in any web application, we are going to use get method, post method, put method, and delete method. So what exactly these methods and what is the design scenarios I should use and when I should use what method, let us discuss. The first one, get method. Very simple. The name itself is telling get means access. So my requirement is I want to access the data from the server. So at that time I will go for the get method. So in the server program means in our Express program, we are going to register the get method with a provided URL. Now from the client side, you are going to call this one or you are going to send the request. Your logic will execute, data will come. So what is a processor? Once user clicks on the load button, your client side send a request to your server program execute the logic. Now your server program communicates with your database give the data, that data will be given to the client side and your client program will display the data. So right now, who is displaying the data? Client program. Who is providing the data? Server program. Where we have the data? Database. So these are the roles of different layers we are having. Client side displaying the data, UI. Server program maintaining the data, database storing the data. So this is about the get method. Sir, what is the next method? Post method. Sir, why I should use the post method? It is used for inserting the data into the database. One simple reason. I have a form. In the form, I am accepting the user input. By using the HTML, I am creating a form. And once you click on the submit, your request data will be sent to the server program. In the server program, post method will execute. Now, database response will come. Now, success or failure. So what are the server program responsibilities? Get the data, validate the data, send the data to the database. Again, I am telling, never ever trust the user data or user input. Always verify the data. Always verify the data. So once we verify or validate, we are going to send the data to the database for insertion. So this is a post method scenario. Sir, what is the next method? Put method. Sir, why I should use the put method? For updation purpose. So we have the form and send the data. Server program send the data to the server side, database side. Database will update the data and it will give the response. And client program will display our success or failure results based on your server feedback. So what is the processor? In the server program, what I can do? Get the data, validate the data, send the data to the database for update. So these are the responsibilities of the server program. Delete method. Sir, why I should use the delete method? To delete the data, sir. So user enter the ID information and you click on the submit. Request with ID value will come to the server side. Server will communicate with your database. Database will delete the record and it will give the response, and your client program display either success or failure message. Now what is the thing, sir? Get the data, validate the data and delete the data in the database. So these are the HTTP methods in general in any web application we are going to use. Whether it is a Java, whether it is a .NET or Python or Node.js, everywhere we are going to use these methods. I hope you understand the HTTP methods. Thank you.